Sometimes you don't want a scheduled report. Sometimes you just want to send an uptime summary right now, maybe to a teammate, maybe to a client, or maybe just for your own records. That's exactly what ad hoc email reports are for. In this video, I'll show you how to generate and send one in under a minute. Start on your Uptime dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a checkbox next to each test. If you tick one or more tests here, a blue banner will appear along the bottom of the screen. This gives you a quick bulk actions for whatever you've selected. In that banner, click Email Report. This opens the ad hoc reporting form. At the bottom, you can choose whether you want the report to include only the tests you've already selected or all of the tests that are currently in the workspace. So if you're sending a quick update on a specific incident, use the selected tests. If you want a full workspace snapshot, choose all. Next, enter the email address or addresses you want to send the report to. You can add multiple recipients, comma separated. So this is great for internal teams, shared ops inboxes, managers, or even external customer updates. Next, you're going to want to choose your date range. For example, the last 7 days, the last 30 days, or a custom incident window. This is especially useful if you want to summarize downtime during a specific period. Once everything is filled out, click Confirm to generate the report. A preview page will appear straight away, showing exactly what the email will contain, and the report is sent immediately. No schedule, no waiting, it goes out right away. Ad hoc reports are perfect when you need to communicate uptime quickly without giving someone full access to the dashboard. It's one of the easiest ways to produce a clean monitoring summary on demand.